Okay, so here we are. I'm Dr. April Agarian. I have Norman Pedersen here with me at Audiology and Hearing Solutions in Paramus. So Norman, just tell me a little bit about your experience with your new devices.
Well, the upgrade was exceptionally positive, and my family appreciates it because they're not having to repeat themselves. And also, one of the side benefits was the tinnitus that was always there, has been for years, and these are as we're sitting here in the office, I said that I could hear the tinnitus again when I took them out for you to make your adjustment. And I mentioned this to my son, who has a serious tinnitus thing, so he might be coming in soon.
Mm-hmm.
But overall, expensive as they are, it's worth the money, my family says.
Mm-hmm. And then what have the hearing aids done to your tinnitus?
Almost to the extent that I don't realize it's there.
Mm-hmm.
So the white noise that you're producing is
Mm-hmm.
actually doing its job.
Giving you that relief, so it quiets
Yes.
it, right?
Yes.
Excellent.
Definitely.
Good. And how long have you been wearing hearing aids for?
Oh, I'd say possibly 10 years.
Yeah, so you're experienced and you know
Yes.
how they
Yes.
work, and the improvements that you've faced with the new ones have really made a difference.
Oh yeah, leapfrog forward.
Good.
I was hesitant, basically, when you said come in and listen to the new ones. I was hesitant because it's a sales gimmick, and
Mm-hmm.
so forth, so on, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a lot of money. But the day that I came in, you left the room, and I said to my wife, I says, I don't think so. I said, that's $6,000. And she said, have you ever considered that it's going to be beneficial to the rest of the family? And that put me over the edge.
Yeah.
Because it's really not fair. I have to keep saying one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And now I don't have to.
Yeah.
There are times.
And that's normal.
Yeah. And now if I could only convince my wife to come in.
She's next. All right. Thank you, Norman. I'm happy that you're happy.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.